Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this viral photo on ChatGPT. So select your picture and a screenshot of either Spotify or Instagram. I did Spotify for mine. And I'm just going to type this in. Obviously, you can type other prompts according to yourself and like what style you want. But I'm just going to kind of get the stock image and like a screenshot of my Spotify. I just really don't want to put myself in these videos, but I'm just going to select enter. This is the, okay, I'll do plain background, plain white background. And I'm just going to wait for ChatGPT to generate the image, and I'll be right back when it's finished. And this is the image that ChatGPT generated for me. You can just select download. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. If you want the prompt, sorry, I'll put it in the description box down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.